like that. But then again, it all depends on.
Yeah, that's what I went on. There.
So 10.
That Bluebell?
40, it's 50.
They actually own it, but that's based at Strawberry Hill.
Okay. It's based at the But they do, who doesn't work? South Western Railway for it?
It's a big, quite big, but they're not short of volunteers.
It's all stored at Strawberry Hill.
You've never been to Bluebell?
Years ago,
Blue
Bang on
I did go there once and then they were filming the program.
Victorian something.
No.
Paul one.
No, not that. We're getting close though.
They've done that at the Walker side years ago. They were doing the Falkland down over there, no volunteers.
So I guess once you get back and they say this goes to there, doesn't it?
Yeah, that's it, yeah.
Money, a lot of money in it.
Well, I thought he was using the carriages for gold. No, I'll tell you what they were filming. Fix it.
Hey?
Jim will fix it.
Oh, right. I won't see that no more yet.
Oh, God, no.
So you don't do no online banking at all?
No, because I've got my...
The nearest branch is Richmond.
yeah, I've got my index. I've got my index.
Is it getting married next year?
Sorry?
Did I tell you?
No.
Oops.
Oh, get it.
No, things have turned around.
There you go.
Yeah, thanks. So how long is that even running now?
Sorry?
Yeah.
How long is it even running now then?
7 years.
Yeah,
it was the 8 years.
Thank you.
Will you get married?
Yeah, I've got a ticket.
We're getting married this
Okay.
holiday.
Yeah, alright, no worries.
Yeah.
Thank you.
We didn't want to go too extravagant. I mean, because obviously, we've got to be careful of costs. She had a big wedding for the first one. Mine was a fair size this week, so we're just trying to keep it small.
Close family.
Yeah. No, top of the level. She's calling me. Oh, do you mind if I get that? No, of course.
It's called a T-key, little calculator.
Calculator. Are your ears burning or something? Right, because I've literally just told Marco I was getting married next year. Like literally about 20 seconds ago.
This year, I think it's 6 numbers come out.
I can barely hear you. You alright?
Very easy.
Well,
No, because I've got like the index linked certificates, and they're just like paper certificates, and they just like send you a paper update every year. So it's like, yeah, so I got those. I mean, that again was another thing, because I used to get, they used to be based on retail pricing.
and obviously
Retail pricing, which was more than the consumer pricing index, but that was the Tories decided to take it down to consumer pricing index. So when inflation is high, which is lower,
I mean, obviously I can't talk too much, it's all more later.
then you don't get very much on them. So I've got those. Then I've got
What's that?
stocks and shares ISAs with Marks and
Yes,
Spencer.
yeah.
I've got a cash ISA.
I'm not worried.
£300
Yeah, that's good.
Then I've got
Yeah, I'll find you when I'm
because that's right. I've got this like regular.
Yeah, but obviously I'll let you know when I'm leaving here afterwards.
So when I was in Twickenham, they said to me, "Oh no, we
Yeah, okay, bro. Yeah, that's
for
fine.
you."
Yeah, okay.
When I went to when they
Yeah, bye then. Yeah, love you.
I went to HSBC.
Yeah, bye.
I said, "Twickenham is a bit say up for me."
She said to say hello.
Because like,
What's that?
She said to say hello.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, she's taken, I don't know if I said to you earlier, she's taken youngest stepdaughter, future stepdaughter, to uni today.
Oh, yeah.
So she starts, literally starting today, so she's taken her to uni in Bath.
I don't know what I do, Martin, but
So she's on the way
home
home now. She's on the M4 now.
Yeah.
so I went in there, and they basically whatever they do later.
The eldest stepdaughter, she started her third year of uni last week.
Yeah. What do they do? last year.
Don't ask me, I don't get involved in English literature, the other one. This
The
one,
other one is like
it's something to do with film, I think it is.
Yeah.
Account I can use for work on.
So from now until Christmas, it's just me and
I've
Liz.
got a whole load of
Yeah, my stepson.
Post-COVID, it's been quite poor.
He married.
Scottish Southern
Yeah.
So I could lose that.
Girlfriend, he got married, had a son. And that didn't work out. So he kept knocking on the door.
They want to sell that.
Can I come back and stay for a little while to get something? 2 years.
Then I got one that,
Me and Jada just
we used to have Thursday, we used to have states.
It was actually one point
They sold out.
she decided she had a lodge. When she met me at the lodge. She did this whole
QBC, that's what I'm saying too. So you were at
kids that had no home, so she just picked them up, the council. So yeah, so we decided we're going to do that because I was moving in, and then Dan had just moved down. Well, he'd been moved down, sorry, for a while. Because he was living with his wife. Next thing he says, "Oh, can we come back?" Yeah, of course we can. Yeah, we'll do anything. For a lot. 2 years later. 2 years later. Yeah. Back in his feet now. Well, the house went to the wife, he gave the house to the wife.
Almost exactly the same situation as me was with my ex. I had to give the house over to her for security for the children. But she sold the house off, I'll come back anyway, and it's just,
He actually, he had a bit of a fling. He got his head turned by the secretary at work and got his pregnant, and that was just the end of that. And so of course, out of sort of, I think, real guilt, one of them used to say, "Oh, we told him, look, it's you. It took him a long time to get back on his feet again. Build up money, get a deposit, when you're yourself.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. And obviously, that me and Liz have got the house together.
But that's just you back on your feet. As you say, when it all goes wrong, it's not.
It's just feels like it's at that precise moment, it's the end of the world. Because you don't know what you're going to do. Now 7:45 at the minute. Probably going to be somewhere in your
On the other side of the road, by Amherst Gardens. Was it really?
You come out of Westmead, go a bit further up, past the turning, the other side towards Woodland. Massive.
Didn't know that.
I think it's further this time.
Yeah.
He's going to get seated this time, aren't they?
Possibly.
Just a little brick test.
Like seated.
What's the Islington Town School? Is that was part of West Middlesex?
Westmead, they used to do a car boot there every Sunday. The car park.
Approaching 8:45 time was now.
Well, we're like 3 minutes late, so so if we get, we'll probably just stop at the bridge.
Yeah, it's done.
Birthday in West 53.
Yep, spot on. Yep, excellent. Yeah, good.
So you know that's a mark.